What's up, guys? Welcome to No Mustache Beard. Today I am bringing you another cooking video. Today we're going to be making some good ass quesadillas. I hope you did see the last video with the tortas, with the chorizo con huevo, because that is going to be part of this video. Now, I'm going to be remaking the chorizo con huevo so you guys can see, but we are gonna be putting it inside of a quesadilla. That is it. You don't need no fucking thing else. But yeah, the stove is ready, the fucking timer's ready, and fucking I'm ready. I hope you're ready, and let's get right into it. Alright guys, so like always, I am gonna be introducing the ingredients. So ingredient number 1, you are gonna need some eggs. Always eggs. Breakfast with eggs. All right, now that you got your eggs, ingredient number 2. Chorizo. All right, now that you have the chorizo, ingredient number 3. Tortillas. All right, now that you have the tortillas, and you have the chorizo, and you have the egg, the last thing that you will need is some Monterey Jack. You're gonna need some fucking cheese. That's all you're gonna fucking need. Okay, guys? So yeah, let's get right into the stove. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start turning on the stove. Remember that I always like to choose number 8. So it all depends on your stove, okay? I already introduced the ingredients. The stove is rolling, I'm rolling, we're all rolling. I already introduced the ingredients. So yeah, let's fucking just throw that shit in there. Oh yeah, that's right, I'm gonna need a plate. Remember the plate for the flick of the wrist with the flick of the wrist and the whisk the bisque. So you got your eggs, right? Actually, this time, I'm gonna have the eggs ready because I don't want to be breaking it later on. I just want to go do everything straight up. So as the stove is burning, not burning, as the stove is warming up, we are gonna crack the eggs. I'm gonna do about 3 eggs the most. 3 eggs. Then you get your little fucking, there's salt shit. Alright, so you got your eggs, you already put the salt. You don't need the eggs anymore, right? So now that this shit is fucking warming up, now you get your shit, your fucking chorizo, and then you fucking split it. Just throw that sucker right in there. And trust me, look, watch. This shit is already ready to be ready to sizzle. I'm gonna add another part. Again, you just cut it in half, and you just fucking let that sucker fucking just squeeze the shit out. Look, boom. That's it, guys. It's not that hard. A lot of people think it's hard to cook, but no, it is not hard. Unless you're making some Chef Ramsay shit, then it is fucking hard. But you're in my house. So you start breaking the shit, let me see. So I'm breaking the shit with the knife for now. Cause fuck it, why not? I'm gonna add a little bit more. It is greasy. This sucker's just gonna plow right out. Boom. Boom! Alright, so we're done with the chorizo for now. Let me throw the eggs away. Boom. Oh, what the fuck did I just do? So you wash your knife, obviously. because you are going to use Ah. So you're gonna get a fucking spatula, right? I already fucking burned myself, man. Dude, I already fucking cut myself. All right, guys. So now that we got the spatula, we just start breaking that hole up. Into small pieces. And you let that whole sizzle. You're gonna be whisking the eggs, because by the time that the chorizo is already ready to be, poured with the egg, it will be ready to be poured with the egg. See, boom, eggs are done. Wash your shit again, and then you're done. That's it. Boom. Now you just wait on the bitch to be cooked. Totally forgot. You are gonna need your knife again, because you need to cut the Monterey Jack cheese for the quesadillas. The morning quesadillas that you're about to make with some flour tortillas. The mission, just like I showed you before. Okay, we got some holes cut out now. Pretty decent. All right, cool. We'll go back to the shit, and we're gonna fucking blend it more. Alright, so this has lots of grease, and I just realized that right now. So I have a grease pan where I put the grease in the pan. Alright, cool. Now you just throw that sucker back on the fucking on the fucking stove. And then let it cook again. Simple. It looks decent. You put this sucker back to wherever the fuck you have that, and that's it. How's it looking over here? Oh, looking good. But yeah, guys, in the meantime, while this is finishing cooking up, I just want to say, thank you for watching my videos. Although it's not as professional as you would think cooking shows would be professional, I'm just trying to be real with y'all, just keep it 100 from me and you. You don't have to, I don't want to just be like, good evening. No, be like, what's up, dog? How y'all doing? Simple. But yeah, now that this shit is hot, and it fucking smells burnt, you can add the egg now. Boom, wash your dish so you don't have to wash later. Now that you have the fucking chorizo with the egg, chorizo with the egg, you just start mixing it up. It don't matter. This is not an omelet. This is not the omelet video. By the way, go check out the omelet video, because the omelet is fucking delicious as fuck. Honestly, this is already finished cooked. If that makes sense. Flip it one more time. Summertime. Alright, so this bitch is finished. So all you have to do is pop this shit right in. Let me make it more bigger. Alright, cool. Now that we have the fucking thing finished, now we throw the fucking flatbed or the fucking little casserole. What the fuck? I forgot the name, man. But you get your tortillas that you had, right? Your tortillas. Slap that bitch in there. Let me replay that. Slap that bitch in there.
And then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna get the cheese that you just cut and throw that sucker right in there. Alright? And then you gotta let that shit fucking, fuck. Now so what you're gonna do is that you're gonna fucking let that shit melt for a bit, right? And then you're gonna add the chorizo. You add the chorizo into the fucking tortilla. Like so. Like so. Now it's okay if you spill it, because you could just move it back with your a spatula. And since the chorizo is hot, it's gonna heat up the cheese a little more, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Boom! Now that you have the chorizo with the shit, now you just fucking throw the next tortilla on top. And that's all you need to do, guys. Let me get a plate for myself. Alright, cool, guys. So now that we have the shit already here, right? What I'm gonna do, be very careful when it comes to flipping it, because the shit will fall. Like so. That bitch already fell. So I usually squeeze it down. Usually I fucking pan it down because of the cheese, so it can melt more. But at the same time, you gotta be careful because you might burn yourself. So I'm gonna let that cook a little bit more. Let it grill. Got my other two tortillas here. I got my cheese right here. You don't need the knife. And you put everything back. Living in Beverly Hills. Alright, guys. So now that this is totally ready now. Definitely totally ready. Let me move this shit here. Now I'm gonna take it off the shit. And I'm gonna show you at the end. I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna throw these bitches in there again. More bitches in here. And then once we're done, then I'm gonna show you how they look like. I'm gonna cut it in half, and then it's gonna be so fucking delicious. So again, so you let this fucking sizzle for a bit, but then you add the chorizo. Now again, don't worry if it falls, because you could always put it back, like so. Alright, now that you have that, now you know that all you have to do is let it grill. I'm gonna fucking flatten this shit up. Get the knife that you had. I'm gonna wash it. It's up to you if y'all fucking wash our dishes. I think this shit is already ready to go to turn. So what I'm gonna do is, again, carefully flip the hole. And if they fall, then just put it right back in there. Don't worry about it. I know it looks fucked, but don't worry about it. Because you just have to move it with your spatula. Look. Lift the bitch up, right? Be like, get your ass back in there, bitch. And then you should be all okie dokie artichoke, whatever the shit saying says. Boom, and then you just let this shit grill again. And then your tortilla, your quesadilla will be ready. Now that we have the quesadilla, I'm gonna cut it for you guys. Cut it into 4, cause why not? Like a A restaurant will cut it into 4, right? And then boom, you got your chorizo quesadilla. Think my tortilla's ready to go. So I'm gonna do is lift it up. Yep, that shit is burnt as fuck. Not burnt as fuck. Alright, so again, for you guys, for you guys, I'ma cut it. Fucking, it's gonna, and the fucking, although it looks crispy, it is crispy. That's the whole point. When I say burnt, I'm not really saying that it's burnt, you know? I'm saying that it's toasty. Burnt means like, if it's like pitch black, you can't see the fucking color of the tortilla anymore. But no. Boom! Oh! Look at this. Oh. Look at all that quesadilla, chorizo, and shit. My God. Let me give you an aerial view. Not aerial like the aerial, but the aerial. My God. This shit, to me, personally, it's up to you guys. But this shit, you could get it at taquerias and shit. Like, low-key. You can make it thick as fuck as much as you want, man. Like, no lie. But yeah, there you go. With the quesadilla, the quesadilla with the chorizo with huevo has been finished. There you go, your finished product, guys. You saw how it looks like. You saw how the whole process is. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new, although it's the same shit basically from the last video, but in a different style. Okay? Again, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll check you in the next time, okay? Go practice. Go enjoy your tortillas that you have made along with me, hopefully. Keep practicing. Yeah, that's it. I'll check you out later.